Hi guys, in the aptitude test series, the last video we have introduced the concept of permutations. In continuation to that, this video we are going to discuss some more problems in permutations. The last lecture we have given the question how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with a 6, 7 and no digit appears more than once. So the first two digits are always 6 and 7. The other digits may be from 0 to 9. But what is the condition? Always the number starts with the 6 and 7. No digits should be repeated. So the choices will be from 0 to 9 except 6 and 7. So the number of choices is 8 for 3 places because totally 5-digit phone number. Already 2 digits are decided. That is first 2 digits are 6 and 7. So for other 3 places, we have got only 8 choices. So what is the formula? Because we are not going to allow repetition. So the formula is NPR, that is 8P3. So you know the formula for 8P3, factorial of 8 divided by factorial of 8 minus 3 is factorial of 5. So the answer is 6 into 7 into 8, that is 336. That is the answer. The next concept is the number of permutations of n objects where P1 objects are one kind and P2 are of second kind and so on. Pk are of kth kind and the rest, if any, are of different kind is formula is factorial of n divided by factorial of P1, factorial of P2 and so on, factorial of Pk. So now this concept may a little bit confuse you. We will see example based on this concept in the next slide. So you take a problem. How many different arrangements of letters of the word mathematics are possible? So you see how many letters are there in mathematics? 11 letters are there. Out of these 11 letters, M is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 2 times, T also repeated 2 times. So by applying the concept what we have discussed in the previous slide, you take the formula that is factorial of n divided by factorial of p1, p2 and so on pk. So now factorial of n means factorial of 11 divided by, as m is repeated 2 times, factorial of 2, a is repeated 2 times, again factorial of 2 and t is repeated 2 times, so factorial of 2. So the answer is factorial of 11 divided by the factorial of 2 is multiplied 3 times. The answer will be 4989600. So we will see another example. So find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Allahabad. So here you see L is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 4 times out of 9 letters. So now what will be the formula? 9 factorial divided by factorial of 2 and factorial of 4. The factorial of 2 is for 2 L's are repeated. Factorial of 4 is for 4 A's are repeated. So by applying this factorial formula, that is factorial of 9 divided by factorial of 2 into factorial of 4, the answer is 7560. Another easier question, in how many ways can 5 books be arranged on a shelf? So for the first book you have got 5 places. So you can place it in any position. So that is 5 choices will be available. Once you place the first book, for the second book you have got only 4 choices. So once you place the second book, you have for the third book you have got only 3 choices. It will go on so on. So what will be the total number of ways for the 5 books? 5 factorial. Yes, the answer is 120. The next question is how many 3-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 5, 6, 2, 3, 7 and 9 which are divisible by 5. None of the digits are repeated. So we will see the answer in the next lecture.